Augmentt integrates with multiple PSA tools. The PSA integrations in Augmentt are for alerting purposes only. Even though there are multiple PSA tools that Augmentt integrates with, the setup process is relatively similar for each of the solutions. For this training, we will not be going over individual PSA tool integrations. Instead, we will go over the basics. We have articles in our knowledge base and videos on our YouTube channel that cover PSA integrations in detail. To get started with your PSA integration, navigate to Configuration and then Integrations. Once you're on the Integrations page, you will see a full list of all the different PSA tools that we integrate with. So just find your PSA tool in the list and click Connect. Now, depending on which PSA tool you use, you'll be prompted to enter different things like possibly the company URL or an API key or a secret key. So go ahead and enter the proper information and then click Connect. Once you have integrated, it will show that you are connected on the integrations page with your PSA tool, but it will also say missing configurations. So let's take care of that. Click on Manage Customer Mapping and Ticketing. The first thing that you'll do is map your clients. You'll see a full list of all of your Augmentt clients on the left side of the screen, and in the middle of the screen where it says Select Customer, go ahead and click that Select Customer. You'll be presented with a list of all the customers that were detected in your PSA environment, and go ahead and select the corresponding account. Once you've mapped out your customers, go ahead and click on the Ticketing tab so we can determine where the Augmentt alerts will generate tickets within your PSA tool. You can also map out the severity level, so that way if you have a high level alert in Augmentt, you can determine what level ticket that creates in your PSA tool. Now, these steps might be slightly different from tool to PSA tool. There might be different terminology, but the outcome will be the same. So now that we've integrated with our PSA tool, we linked up our customers, and we've mapped out our ticketing, the PSA integration is complete.